Good evening, everyone. Today we address a tragic event that has deeply affected the aviation community and beyond. On February 19th, 2025, a midair collision occurred at Marana Regional Airport in Arizona, resulting in the loss of 2 lives. At approximately 8:30 a.m., 2 small aircraft, a Cessna 172 and a Lancair 360 Mk2, collided in midair near the airport located just outside Tucson. Each plane had 2 occupants. The Cessna managed to land safely, and thankfully both individuals on board were unharmed. Tragically, the Lancair crashed near runway 3 and was engulfed in flames upon impact, leading to the death of both occupants. The National Transportation Safety Board, also known as NTSB, and the Federal Aviation Administration, also known as FAA, have launched a thorough investigation into the incident. Preliminary reports indicate that the airspace around Marana Regional Airport is uncontrolled, meaning it lacks an active air traffic control tower. In such zones, pilots are responsible for coordinating takeoffs and landings among themselves, which can increase the risk of miscommunication. This tragic event is part of a concerning pattern. In the past 3 weeks, the United States has experienced 7 aviation accidents, including a devastating midair collision over the Potomac River in Washington, D.C., which claimed 67 lives. These incidents have understandably led to growing public apprehension regarding air travel safety. Despite these recent tragedies, experts emphasize that air travel remains statistically one of the safest modes of transportation. The recent clustering of accidents, while alarming, may not necessarily indicate a systemic issue, but could be a result of random occurrences. Nonetheless, each incident is a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with aviation and underscores the critical importance of stringent safety protocols. Our thoughts are with the families and friends of those affected by these tragedies. As investigations continue, we hope that the findings will lead to improved safety measures to prevent such incidents in the future. Thank you for joining us as we navigate these challenging times. Stay safe, and we'll keep you updated as more information becomes available.